I didn't expect to steam the chicken in the pot. Out of the pot is a famous dish of Guangdong specialties: steamed chicken with scallion oil. The meat is tender, salty and fragrant. It's easier than drinking water. When the chicken is bought, put a spoonful of salt first. Drop it down. Removes the smell of meat. Join water. Batter. Clean it inside and out. Put some ginger slices. 150 g of chicken. After the fire boils, turn to low heat and steam for 20 minutes. Put the ginger, shallots, garlic, ginger slices and green onions in another pot. Turn on medium-low heat and stir-fry slowly until fragrant. Ladies and gentlemen, if you find this video useful, you can like it. Avoid not being able to find it the next time you want to see it. Stir-fry until the slag is browned, then remove and turn off the heat. Wait for the oil to cool down. Add another scoop of light soy sauce. Turn on low heat and cook until bubbles. At this time, the chicken is also steamed. Chop into pieces of your liking. Arrange a plate. Finally, pour the sauce over the chicken. You can start eating. Isn't it simple? Isn't it simple? Do this with steamed chicken with scallion oil. 3 bowls of rice are not enough to eat. The chicken is tender,